Welcome to my channel Passion Food and Health. Today we are discussing the health benefits of carrot and beet juice. Carrot beet juice offers several health benefits. We are discussing the 10 health benefits of carrot and beet juice. Number 1. Rich in nutrients. Carrots and beets are both packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, and folate. Carrot and beet juice, rich in nutrients, very healthy for human body. Number 2. Heart health. Heart health. The nitrates found in beets may help lower blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular health. Additionally, the antioxidants in both carrots and beet support heart health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. We are discussing the health benefits of carrot beet juice. Very beneficial, very delicious juice for human body. We already discussed the 2 benefits, rich in nutrients and heart health. Number 3, improved digestion. Next is improved digestion. Both carrots and beets are high in dietary fibers, which promote digestive regularity and support a healthy gut microbe. If you want to improve digestion, use carrot and beet juice on daily basis. Very delicious, helpful for human body. Number 4, detoxification. Beet contains compounds like betalines that support liver detoxification, aid the body eliminating toxins. If you want to remove toxins from liver, detoxification of liver, use beet carrot juice. Very beneficial for human health. Number 5, boosted immunity. If you want to improve your immunity, boost your immunity, use carrot and beet juice. The vitamin C in carrots and beet supports immune function, helping the body defense against infection and illness. We are discussing the health benefits of beet and carrot juice. Number 6, anti-inflammatory effects. The antioxidants in carrot beet juice help combat inflammation in the body, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. If you want to reduce the risk of chronic diseases, use beet carrot juice. Number 7, improved exercise performance. The nitrates in beets may enhance oxygen utilization during exercise, potentially boosting stamina and performance. If you want to boost your stamina and performance, use carrot and beet juice. Very beneficial, very delicious juice. The next is eye health. Carrots are rich in beta carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. And very helpful. For maintaining healthy vision. If you want to improve your vision, improve your eye health, use carrot-beet juice on daily basis. The next is skin health. The antioxidant in carrot-beet juice may contribute to healthy skin by reducing oxidative damage and promoting collagen production. If you want to improve collagen production and reduce oxidative stress, reduce wrinkles, and make your skin shiny and glowing, use carrot and beet juice. Very delicious juice, very helpful, beneficial for human health. We are discussing the top 10 health benefits of carrot and beet juice. Number 10. Carrot beet juice is hydrating and refreshing, making it a great choice to support overall hydration levels. Incorporating carrot beet juice in your diet can be a flavorful way to enjoy these health benefits. However, it's essential to consume it as a part of balanced diet and consult with healthcare professionals if you have any specific health concerns or conditions. These are all top 10 benefits of beet carrot juice. Add beet carrot juice in your daily diet and enjoy surprising, amazing health benefits of beet and carrot juice. Watch my channel Passion for Health. Share with your friends and relatives for amazing information related to superfoods. Beet and carrot juice. Today we're discussing beet and carrot juice is rich in nutrients, improve heart health, improve digestion, help in detoxification of liver, boosted immunity, anti-inflammatory properties, improved exercise performance, improved eye health, skin health improvement, improved hydration. Summarize the overall benefits of carrot and beet juice. Like and subscribe my channel also to watch amazing videos. Passion Food and Health. Thank you very much for watching my channel Passion Food and Health.